Christmas, folks. Here at the Homestead, we are wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May all your wishes and prayers come true. Just remember the reason for the season, folks. Thank you all for being part of the Homestead family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello folks, welcome back. Today what we're going to be fixing is our favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. It's called McCormick Vanilla Rich Chocolate Chip Cookies. And what we'll need is 3 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and salt, 1 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1 1/4 cup of regular sugar, a cup of brown sugar packed down, 2 eggs, 4 teaspoons of vanilla, and then 1 bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Alright, let's get all the stuff a-mixing. Alright, now first thing we're going to do, we got our flour here in a separate bowl. We're going to put in our baking soda and salt. Alright, now our next step, what we're going to do is we're going to soften our butter up. Get me a measuring bowl here. Alright, I found a measuring cup here. Now we're going to put that in the microwave. We'll let it soften up here. I'll probably do it for about 20-30 seconds. Just get it softened. Now while that's getting microwaved here, what we're going to do is we're going to put our sugar in. You're just going to cream your butter and your sugar together. First I'll do the regular sugar, white sugar, then our brown sugar. There we go, packed in good. Now just waiting on the butter here. Just want to soften it up a little bit here. Alright, that's perfect. Just going to get it creamed together here. Alright, we got it creamed together. Now, next step, we're going to add in our eggs. Then we'll mix that up. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to put in our vanilla. It's going to be 4 teaspoons. Find me a teaspoon measuring cup. Alright, we're going to put in our vanilla. Okay, alright. Perfect. Now we'll mix that up here real quick. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add our flour in a little bit at a time. Okay. Our flour, salt, and baking soda, I mean. Okay. And then just a little bit more. Okay. Just do slow speeds, that way you don't make a mess. Oh, a little bit of a last of our flour mixture. Alright, we got the flour stirred in now. We're going to add in our chocolate chips. Then we'll give that a stir. I don't know if I told you before, but you need your oven to be on 375. Alright, now let's get this stirred up. Alright, I got my pan out here. Now, I'm just going to use this scooper here. Now we'll cook them for about 8 minutes. Then we'll get them off, and then we'll have another pan ready to put in. Usually what we'd like to do, what Mom taught me, when you get your cookies out, you can get them out and then you can leave them on the pan there. It'll help them finish cooking out. Alright, they just come out of the oven after 8 minutes. Now we'll let them sit here on this pan here for the whole next batch. And then we'll get them off, we'll put them on the cooling rack, and we'll be back. See you soon. Alright, here they are out of the oven on the cooling rack. Now, we'll get it plated up, and Mom and Dad will try it out. Be right back.
I'm over here getting the milk right now.
Alright, here we got it plated up. Mom, Dad, try one.
Alright, I'll grab this back here. I've done got my milk ready. Oh gosh, knock me into the table. Good, folks.
Delicious. Yummy. Alrighty, folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow for What's for Supper Wednesday.
Just make sure you got your big glass of milk handy there, cold milk.
Yep. See you tomorrow.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.